Duns beautiful people. Hello my beautiful people, how you guys doing today? So we are on vacation. That's my nachos. We're having nachos and also we're having a fruit salad, okay? But I figure, hey, while I'm here, I'm going to show you guys the hair, okay? As you guys remember Amber, right? Amber from the video. This is how she looks like. Isn't she pretty? Isn't this a nice red hot color? Okay. Let's turn back so you can see the color. See? See her? See? All right. So, if you guys would like yourself one just like it, okay, you can click on the link. Okay, click on the link to receive one. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
So you,
huh?
are you posting on Instagram?
Excuse me, guys. So my neighbor was walking around, and she asked me if I was posting, and I said yes, I'm making a video. My beautiful people. So we chatted and then I had to cut the video short. But getting back to you guys, okay? The hair is super cute, super nice, as you guys can see. Okay? If you would like one just like it, if you love the color, because like I told you guys, I love coloring my hair. I love coloring my hair. And for me to not damage my hair, if I have the coloring fever, I just use a wig, and then my coloring fever goes away. Okay. So click on the link, guys. Okay, click on the link, get yourself one just like it. Okay. And I also have one that's all black also. There's also one that's all black. Just put in your email address. Let's stay connected. Okay, stay connected with me. Put in your email address. Alright? Very good. Alright guys, as always, I love you. Love you with the love of Jesus Christ. See you in the next video. Duns beautiful people. Mwah. And if you would like to know exactly how I install this hair, click here. Okay, this video right here talks about how to install the hair. All right. As always, I love you with the love of Jesus Christ. See you in the next video. Mwah. See ya.